Today on Real Pilates, we're going to continue to talk about the set point, which is a point that your body is happy at staying within a certain range of weight. So fad diets, right? The grapefruit diet, the paleo diet, intermittent fasting, all these fad diets, they may work for some people, they may work for some amount of time, but overall, for most people, these fad diets do not work. When you start to diet, you cause, first of all, a mental stress on yourself about the amount of food, and you start to become food obsessed. And you create a physical stress on your body that you're now starting to deplete calories, and most of these diets are just way off to one end and way off to the other end. Remember that the most fattiest organ in the body is the brain, and your brain craves and needs fat, especially good fats. We know the good fats: extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed, extra virgin coconut oil, the fats from good fishes. There are good fats, avocados, right? All of those fats are important for the body. Most of these diets go on this raid and binge against fat, against carbs, when in reality, that does not work. So when you start these diets, it creates a binge, starve, binge restrict cycle, and that creates a food obsession within you. So your set point now has changed from where it was that your body, let's say that my body wants to stay between 110 and 120. I'm going to raise that set point to my body's going to be now between 115 and 125. I just push that thing up 5 pounds. So your set point changes and will drift higher according to the amount of stress, chronic stress, illness. If you have an illness, obviously, it can even reduce your set point if you have certain sicknesses, aging, lifestyle, and moods. So chronic stress releases hormones. These hormones signal the body, some of which is cortisol, but not just cortisol. It signals the body that we are in trouble, and it signals the body to store more fat, and so it will raise that set point. The way that you change the amount of calories that your body is intaking, your body will metabolize food differently. Now listen to this. Ice cream cone, nice crunchy ice cream cone. Same ice cream cone eaten under, as you're eating it, stress, guilt, and just that feeling of anxiety of knowing I shouldn't be eating this. When you eat that ice cream cone, it will have more calories because now your body is going to absorb and retain more calories from the same ice cream cone eaten with I'm loving this ice cream cone. Oh my God, it's delicious. I'm eating it and it's delicious. That ice cream eating in joy and happiness, your body will not absorb the same amount of calories from that same ice cream cone. So when the people put in, and they put in all the little food that they're eating in these little food organizing apps that they have, it's a lie because that is not accurate. It depends on the mood that you're in when you're eating the food that you're eating. And it also depends on the amount of synthetic things that is thrown into the food that you're eating. Because an ice cream that has a lot of corn syrup and glucose and monodiglycerides and words that you don't understand is not going to be metabolized like ice cream that's cream, butter, and cane sugar. Because cane sugar is actually really good for the brain. Brown sugar, white sugar, it has the same calories. So don't start to play these mind games that, I don't eat white sugar because, all right, you may not like the white sugar, but calorically, your body doesn't give a crap. The chemicals and the mood that you're in of the same food will change the amount of calories of that food. Where the mind leads, the body will follow. Stay tuned for more tips on weight and dieting. This is Pilates Master Nikki. I'll see you in class.